based on quality and value for the money. This product is one of the best rated product in the market right now. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Our strong and tough ST371HD is the perfect machine for everyday sewing and mending on everything from durable outdoor fabrics to lightweight, elegant silks. This machine can handle layers of heavy fabrics due to the included metal needle plate for smoother fabric feeding and a heavyweight needle set. This includes a number 16 needle, great for heavyweight fabrics such as denim, canvas, and duck cloth. A number 14 needle, ideal for sewing layers of fabric. And a number 11 needle, perfect for everyday sewing and lightweight fabrics such as silks. Also included are 37 utility and decorative stitches for blind hems, stretch stitches, buttonholes, zipper insertion, and more. Selecting your stitch is as easy as turning a dial, and the reverse sewing lever gives you added control right at your fingertips. Sew buttonholes with ease using the included one-step auto-size buttonhole and buttonhole foot. The ST371HD comes complete with 6 sewing feet, including a spring action zigzag foot, non-stick foot, blind stitch foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, and button sewing foot. Plus, the drop feed feature allows you to do free motion sewing. The spring action zigzag foot is invaluable for sewing over varying fabric thicknesses, while the non-stick foot glides over difficult surfaces with ease, improving stitch quality. The convertible flatbed to free arm sewing surface allows you to sew sleeves, pant legs, and bags. Included storage allows you room for your included accessories. With the automatic bobbin winding system and quick-set drop-in top bobbin, winding and loading bobbins are a breeze. The built-in handle allows the machine to easily go from sewing table to storage when not in use, and makes it an ideal machine to take along when joining in sewing events. The LEDs give you a bright work area to see details. Our strong and tough sewing machine gives you all you need for your everyday sewing and mending needs, including 37 built-in stitches, a one-step auto-size buttonhole, 6 sewing feet, an assortment of heavy-duty needles, extra spool pin, twin needle, and 4 bobbins. You'll love how easy the instructions are to follow with a DVD to get you started. And brother support you can count on.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.